In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why I make money trading and you're not making money trading. So if you want to start making money and you want to learn how to make money trading, make sure you watch every single step that I'm going to show you in this video, because even if you miss one step, then you're going to end up wasting your time and you're still going to be losing every single one of your trades like you're doing right now. Reason number one that you are not making money when you're trading forex, stocks, or crypto is that you're not sticking to one strategy for at least 20 to 50 trades. I see all the time people trying out new strategies every single day because they lost one or two trades and now they think that strategy isn't good enough. But in reality, if you guys understand how probabilities work, you'll know that you need at least 20 to 50 trades, even sometimes 100 trades, in order to understand if you have a profitable strategy. So this is what you need to do before you start trading. You want to take your strategy that you're going to use and you want to backtest it manually for at least 20 to 50 trades on the chart that you're looking to trade. And then by doing that, you'll understand exactly the percentage that this strategy can give you. Does it have a 55% win rate, a 65, 75, or does it have a 35% win rate? You'll be able to know that simply by backtesting the strategy that you're willing to use. Reason number two why you're still probably not making money in the market, even though you may have a very good strategy that you're following. And the reason is you're letting emotions cloud your judgment, right? You're trading based off fear of missing out, FOMO, or you're trading off of revenge, or you're trading and you're scared to lose. These are all things that can affect your trades and your emotions. You have to understand that you should not be trading with money that you cannot afford to lose. This is very important. I see this mistake all the time. People come in, they want to trade, they want to get rich, and they only have $100. They want to take the $100 and turn it into 1,000. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way, guys. You need to understand that any money that you're using in the market, you need to be willing to lose that money in order for you to trade with it profitably, guys. Because if you don't do that, then you're going to have emotions clouding your judgment. You're going to take bad trades. You're going to start doing mistakes like moving your stop loss up and down, moving your take profits up and down, things that you're not supposed to be doing when you have a specific strategy that you're trying to follow. And the final reason why you're not making money trading, especially as a beginner, is you are not tracking your trades. It is extremely important to be writing down every single trade that you take, why you took it, when you took it, what's your expectations with the trade, to see that next time you can go back to it, whether you won or you lost a trade, and see what did you do right, what did you do wrong, how can I improve, and things that you may not have noticed in the initial time that you were looking at the chart. This is very, very important, and this is why you should be tracking every single one of your trades into a trading journal. Now, I have an absolutely free journal that you guys can download. I'm going to leave it in the description down below. It's the one I use myself, so if you guys want to download that, you want to start using it, go ahead. It's absolutely free. It's going to be in the description down below. Now, if this video gets 500 likes, I'm going to be giving away $500 to one of our lucky subscribers. So if you want to win the money, all you got to do is hit that like button and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions or need help with anything, leave them down in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as fast as possible. Other than that, guys, have a good day and happy trading.